hand over to our next startup pitch by Holger Giebel. He will present Timbertower. Welcome, Holger.
Hello. Yeah, at first I would say thank you for the invitation to this conference. My name is Holger Giebel and I'm one of the founder and managing directors of the Timbertower GmbH. This is okay, right? So what we are doing, the corporate purpose of the Timbertower GmbH is to develop, to distribute, and to manufacture and assemble timber towers, including their foundations for wind energy plants. Timber tower means towers built out of wood for the big machineries, well, 1 megawatt and upwards. Some key facts about our company. So we are a spin-off from a civil engineering office in Hamburg that starts to operate in 2002, and in 2008 we founded the Timbertower company as a spin-off from this engineering office that had a lot of experience in building foundations and towers for wind energy plants. So managing directors now of the company are me, two colleagues of mine, Gregor Prass, the inventor, and Sandro Meinusch. So we are one of the lucky companies that have closed the first financing round. I think this is a typical shell for financing young companies in the seed, or pre-seed phase. So we have some private capital, we have public capital, and the total investment in the first round was 2.5 million. So some facts about the wind energy market, because we had it before, but I will say because the average annual growth over the past 5 years was nearly 30%. The growth forecast for the next 5 years is 20–25%. If you look to different countries like China or America, you have growth rates about 100% in China, so they double every year their capacity in wind energy. And America also have growth rates about 40–50%. So that means that in the next 5 years there will be approximately 100 to 150,000 machineries built. That means that also 100 to 150,000 towers are needed. So the achievable market, what we assume for timber towers are 20%, not in the next 5 years, maybe in the next 10 years. And yeah, we will be the #1 supplier of timber design towers. And we will support all aspects from design to assembling. And this is the reason why I'm here, because our goal is to be a fully integrated producer of timber towers. At the moment, we are more an engineering office, and we do the sales. We work together with partners that deliver us with wood, and they deliver us with the work to build up the towers. But our goals in the next years is to be a fully integrated tower producer. Why using a timber tower? I think it is a good question, because the normal concepts are built from wood, not from wood, from steel or from concrete. And we sell to VTG producers like the turbine producers, and they want to have sustainable products, they want to have cost-efficient products, especially they want to have, when I say cost-efficient, if you look to the steel prices, it's very hard to calculate for wind turbine producers prices of the machineries, because the steel prices are always so volatile. Yeah. And with wood, it could be very better, because you have a very stable price index for this wood what we are using. Because they want also a local production context. This is very important, because if you go to Canada or to the US, authorities say, okay, you can sell your machinery here, but what you have to do, you have to have a local content. That means 30–50% of your machinery you have to build here. And I think this is a good solution, because if you do this from wood and you go to Canada, they're very linked to wood. You can produce the towers maybe in Canada and to build up these local content. And also a big question of new machineries is they have to be transportable. If the machinery is going higher and higher, so it's for some regions in the world, they are not reachable for tower concept that they have at the moment. So our tower concept, I will show it to you, is able to bring the tower on in a 40-foot container or a standard lorry to the building site. So what are the main advantages of our product? Because to meet the goals of the market, We say that it's energy production in tune with nature. So our towers are a 99% natural product, and is absolutely CO2 neutral, and is absolutely easily to recycle, especially when you compare it to concrete towers. It is groundbreaking cost efficient because wood is a little bit cheaper than steel, and also we can go up higher, and there's a Daumenregel, that every meter in height brings 1% more in revenue, and we are able to get higher than steel towers. And we say that in a project, that means erected tower on the building site, we can be 20% cheaper than the normal towers or the regular towers that are used at the moment. Also, I said that we are a logistical revolution because we can put our panels into a 40-foot container or a standard lorry. Construction technical characteristics. The tower is a closed polygonal hollow body. The material is a composite from cross-laminated timber and surface materials components. Prefabrication of timber panels, including fasteners in the production process, and we can go up to heights of 160 meters or more. Some pictures from the tower. You see the tower is built up from panels. These panels are 50 meters in length and 3 meters in brightness, and 30 centimeters to 50 centimeters in thickness. I'm not only talking about it, we have really done it, because you can see some pictures from the first tower we've built up, I think a few weeks ago. This is a material, cross-laminated timber, what we are using, because of an invention from an Austrian company called GmbH, the partner we're working together with. And yeah, so let me come to the point why I'm here. So our strategy for this year is milestone 1, erection of the first prototype in 2010, include conclusion of 2 prototype contracts with VTG producers. I hope I can announce this end of this month or maybe in June, because we are close to new contracts with VTG producers. So our first customer is the company Ventus Energy AG. They are very linked to the Chinese company Goldwind. And milestone 2 is start of advanced prototype production, erection of 50 to 20 towers for Ventus Energy, and also for the new customers we have this year. Milestone 3, start of serial production at Timbertower production plant, production of 50 to 100 towers in 2012. And 2013 we go into serial production with 250 towers, 2,500 towers. That means estimated revenue from 400 million. For this we need estimated capital expenditure about 25 million euro. That should be financed by a strategic partner or financial investor. And this was my last slide. And I would say thank you.
Thank you.